Hi everyone, today I am going to show you one sweet recipe. This is very famous in South India. This will prepare South Indians for every festival. This will be little bit easy and little bit critical. If you find tips, then it will be easy. I will give you lot of tips in this video. Then you can prepare with very less ingredients. Let's come to prepare. I soaked 8 hours this rice. I took raw rice 500 grams and soaked 8 to 10 hours you can soak. Then strain the water. When rice wet state only, you have to grind this. If you have more consistency of rice, you can give in flour mill. Once grind, then immediately sieve it. It should be wet only, little bit wet only. Sieve entire flour, it should be wet. This is the tip for this sweet. This sweet called Athirasam. Then press the flour and close it immediately. Then take a kadai and add 350 grams for 500 to 600 rice and 1/4 cup of water. Then melt the sugar. Then check the consistency. Sugar should be little bit candy state. This is not enough. Then after few minutes, after few seconds later, then once again check it. You can check this 4 to 5 times. This is the perfect consistency. When this consistency, stove off. Then add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Don't mix the oil in this sugar syrup and add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Then add gradually our rice flour. Keep on stirring. Don't worry, it will come easily. Don't put the rice flour at a time. Gradually you have to add and stir continuously. It will absorb entire 500 grams of rice flour. You soak 600 grams of rice. It will be useful. After cool down, it will little bit thick. Then add 1 more teaspoon of ghee. Then mix completely. It will not stick to kadai. It will not stick to hand. Then take ball size, little bit more, not lemon size. You have to take ball size flour. For half kg rice, you can take around 20 to 24 adhirasam. Then press into thickness should be half inch. Then fry them two sides. It will fry within seconds only. It will not take more time. Then slightly press with adhirasam. This is called adhirasam chakka. It will available in any provision shop or plastic or steel vessels shop. This is the thickness, half inch is there. Then fry it. Oil should be high flame only. is the adhirasam. Very very easy. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and give a like and prepare, then comment me. I got this much. Thank you for watching. I will show you. This is sugar adhirasam. Already I uploaded jasari adhirasam. Please watch that. Thank you for watching.